Hey guys, if you also got cold and cough, then do try this remedy. This actually worked for me and it is quite simple. एक ऑरेंज लेना है, सौंठ, अजवाइन, दालचीनी, काले मिर्च एंड सम हल्दी, नमक, ये सब मिक्स करके उस ऑरेंज में मैश करके उसमें मिक्स कर दो अच्छे से और उसके बाद उसको सिर्फ हीट करना है जब तक बॉयल ना हो जाए. Once it is boiled, do add some honey. Trust me, this is Ayurvedically proven and it actually works even for kids. But if you are allergic to any of these things, then do give it a thought. But do try.